Okay, so this is the Geardon professional microphone set. So right here, so this is what it looks like. There's the little sign there. And let's open it up and check it out. So here we go. So we open it here, and it comes with the manual for it. And here is the controller unit, which is nice because it's actually rack mountable. So you can see here, it's all the settings for it. It's got all your connectors. Connectors are in the back side of it. So you can see, I'll give you a little zoom through here. I can't read them from here, but hopefully you can on the video. So there we go. So that's what it looks like. Yep, all our different connectors for the connect out to audio. We got a couple of antennas, obviously, here. So we can, because these are wireless headphones. So we've got the antennas. And then here we go. So, wow, these feel nice. For the price, I was kind of thinking that maybe they wouldn't be quite as good, but man, these are some solid microphones. Feel really good. It's got the little things that go around it here, so we can, just mark the differences basically between them. Very nice. And we have the power for the controller, and more of that, and batteries for our microphones. So I'm gonna give these things, I'm gonna hook them up a little bit and give them a try and see how they sound. But it looks really nice. This is great for the unboxing. I mean, this is what you see here. You got 4 of these. They have a little digital screen on them. So I'm sure as it's going, you can change the channel on it and everything. I'll actually put some batteries in one now because I'm gonna be putting it together anyway. So might as well do it now. Some Pixel batteries, just cheap batteries. But let's see, go. There's that. There's that. I can't remember which way to go. Like that. There we go. So that's plugged in. You know, I'm gonna plug this whole thing in right now. We're gonna give it all a shot. Right? Might as well. Lucky I have a power strip down here on the floor. Able to get it going. I'm not hooked up to to my amp or anything yet, so we're not gonna be able to do that. But let's just see what it looks like here. You can see all the different switches and settings there. So we turn that on. I think this is the one I put on. 539.30. So I'm this one right here. So I'm channel 2. I'm channel 2 right now. Hello, everybody. But no one's gonna hear anything because I don't have it hooked up to any speakers. Haha. And it's got so you can just hook it up even if you're just going simple out. I'll just use this for, I can hook it up to pretty much anything at that point because I've got those plugs. So I'll just be able to plug it in there and we're good. So exciting. I'm looking forward to getting this, putting this to use. And we got 4 microphones. Set looks like a nice quality one, and I'm gonna write in the comments how good the sound quality is because I'm expecting it to be decent because these really seem like good ones. And I will let you all know, but this is for the unboxing and putting it together. Here you go, this is what it looks like.